Hey guys, this is Lego City Star Wars fan. I'm going to be doing a review on the Lego City Mountain River Heist. Here are the instruction manuals. Let's take a look at book number 1. No number in the back, huh? Anyways, this is 31 pages of building. Number 2, it's the green van, and that is there you go. 39 pages of building. And number 3, which is for the tree and the plane. And that is eighty pages of building. I should show you. There's just some pieces and stuff like that. So yeah. Maybe we should take a look at the minifigures. Oops. Get our cop. She drives the seaplane. She has the girl face, nice torso with handcuffs. There's a pilot torso. Back, nice helmet. She doesn't have any face prints in the back. So yeah, it's my favorite minifigure in the set. You got a security guard. Yeah, he looks pretty nice. Security walkie-talkie, handcuffs. He's got the serious face, which is pretty cool. Nice green hat. And he drives the green van. So yeah. Here you got another minifigure. Got striped torso. These actually the same minifigures from the other set I reviewed on Sunday. Nice face. You get another face in the back. You could see the tree actually. The set actually comes with a beehive, just like on that set. Maybe I'll take out the beehive from the tree. Here you get the beehive, and here's what he looks like with the beehive on his head. And if he takes it off, of course, then you put the hair on. And I got stung by bees. Yeah, pretty cool. Here we got another criminal. He's got that 2012 criminal face. Red baseball cap. The furry jacket. Criminal shirts in the inside. Brown pants. Back printing. Oh yeah, this guy has back printing as well. I think this is the 2014 prisoner uniform. So yeah. Let's start with the tree. Tree is very nice, and he fell off because then that's what the beehive on the tree. If this falls off, then the beehive hits the criminal gets on the criminal's head. Let's see here. You can put stuff there if you wanted. This is perfect. Say, oh, I found gold. Yeah, pretty cool. Um, let's take a look at this. This is the criminal's getaway car. So it comes with a chain, which you'll see a feature later. Get a chainsaw right here, a crowbar, see for a criminal to sit in, and this is the spot where the gold will go, which you will see later on. It's in the van. Yeah, 3 wheels on each side on here. Same thing on the other side. Yeah, very nice. And so this feature is, there's the van. You can see the set comes with a pump. I'm sorry, but it's very hard to do with one hand. So what I'll do is I'm going to hold on to the van, and this vehicle will pull it out. Yeah, see, pretty nice. And here's the gold you get. Yeah, this is like, yeah, this is the gold you get with the set. Very nice. Yeah, you also get this one stud brick of the set. Some gold pieces here as well. And you put it on here. And now the criminals can get away. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the van. The van is pretty nicely designed. I don't know if you guys saw this. A 2018, they're coming out with a 2018 cargo train, and I saw a picture with this van. So I'm thinking of getting that cargo train and maybe making it with this van. So yeah. So which will be really cool. It's like the second Lego van like Lego bank van I've got. I've got another one up here. It was from 2011 Bank of Money Transfer. And this is green, that one's blue. Dark blue. They also did a money van from last year, police sets, but I didn't really bother getting it. Anyways, you can put your minifigure inside. And this right here is like a code so that they keep the money in so nobody steals it. So here this is where you put the tug of gold. So yeah. Very nice. Nothing else to see here. No, now let's take a look at the airplane. Finally got myself the seaplane. This is like, I think this is like the 4th seaplane Lego's done. First one was from 2008, and that was a big one. I can't remember the price, but it was from 2008, and it was a police plane. Second one came out in 2010 from the airport, 2010 Subbeam, and that was like pretty small. It cost like $10 or something. And that was yellow, and I did one for Coast Guard, I believe. So yeah, this is another nice surprise. You can put your minifigure inside. Very nice. And nice police logo here. This is the spot for where you can land on water. This is very hard. You can see oops. It would be very hard to do it with one hand because I'm recording from my phone. But if you can see here, if you push this, yeah, the net comes out. So yeah, you do get a net with the set. Yeah, I couldn't put it in the vehicle. I tried it before, but it's not really working. Like when I shoot it with the yellow thing. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It's a very very cool set. You can definitely get it. So yeah, please remember my upcoming reviews. Please rate, comment, like, and subscribe, and bye.